Hello again and welcome back to our course on Excel 2019 Advanced. It's time now for exercise 3, and your starting point for exercise 3 is a slightly enhanced version of the last course file you saw with the figures for straight line depreciation in columns F and G. Column F contains the figures for depreciation and column G the value at year end, and what I would like you to do is the equivalent calculation for two other types of depreciation. One of them is declining balance depreciation, and in columns J and K, sum of years digits depreciation. And I'd like you to avoid, if possible, any intermediate columns or values or anything like that. So as with the work that I did with column G in the preceding section, make sure that all of the workings to calculate the value at year end, in this case, is in a single formula. And here is my answer to exercise 3. One thing to note here in column I, there is a very small rounding error there, and if you look for help on the fixed declining balance depreciation function, you will see that there is a certain amount of rounding done in the calculation which explains that slight discrepancy, but you should come out with something similar to what I have here. That's it for exercise 3. Good luck with that, and I will see you in the next section.